So a little bit of myself. So my name is Rebecca Lee, and I graduated from University of Houston around 3.5 years ago. And I joined Adobe right after my graduation. And I have been serving as the engineering co-founder of Adobe Firefly, where it is a type of the AI creative content generation platform. It is the stuff that you can just type in what you want and it will create in seconds for you. And how many of the people in this room has used Adobe product in your lifetime, like Photoshop or Acrobat? Raise your hands, okay. And how many people have heard of Firefly? Raise your hands. Okay, that's a good amount of audience, yeah. So Adobe Firefly is it's the most popular AI creative content generation platform designed for safely commercial use. So our products also have won the last year's Times Award for one of the most innovation AI creation over the whole year for last year for our Firefly Gen Fill and Gen Extend feature in the Photoshop. And as one of the co-founder, when I started to work on Firefly around 2 years ago, the people working on this only around 10 to 20 people, and now I has been working on the model internal release and kind of like coordination with the different teams across like model training, deployment, etc. And now our team has grown around a few hundred people, and you can see that we have a Adobe Firefly jacket to share with everyone working this. For today's topic, I'm actually going to focus a little bit more on the evaluation side of how we address the AI ethical issue about the harm and biases. But after this talk, if you want to know anything about like our journey of Firefly, and since I started working at the very beginning, I can help to answer anything about that.